Today, I'm going to show you how to cut up and work with a jackfruit. Hi there, Vanda here of rawandwell. Today I'm working with this beautiful jackfruit that we picked up yesterday from a neighbor that has a tree, and he saved this ripe one for me. So he took it off the tree as it was super ripe, so you could see it's ripe and there's some brown spots, but on the way home, the entire car smelled of jackfruit. I wish you could smell this right now because it is so amazing, the fragrance. So, jackfruit has a little bit of, people are afraid to buy the whole thing and they end up buying a can of jackfruit to cook with, but we really like to eat it fresh. And especially when it's beautiful like this right off of the tree. Alright, so here we go. I got this knife because I don't want to ruin one of my good knives. And this has a sharp edge, serrated edge. So I figured it would work a little bit better. And what you want to do initially is just take right down the middle. So this is working out pretty good. But as you could see, there's like this white stuff that it gives, and it's kind of sticky. The riper it gets, the less of this it has, but it's really hard to get off surfaces. But once you get it like this, if it's ripe enough, you could almost muscle the whole thing. That's why I picked to sit outside and on the floor so I could be a savage. But wow, that smells so good. I think it needs a little bit more. That going. So all these fibers, I have a few bowls here because I'm gonna keep them separate. And first, the moment we've been waiting for. So it's got these big seeds. Well, I'm going to save the seeds and roast them. So they're going in that bowl. And here's our first piece. This part is really not good, but that's what that looks like, you guys. That's ripe, right off the tree yumminess. The moment we've been waiting for. Wow. So that's what you want to do, is get all these little pods. As you go, these fibers will be used later as well, because what I do is I boil them up. So they'll go in a different bowl. But we're after the fruit right now because we're going to keep some in the fridge. Going to freeze some and hope that we get another jackfruit before season's over. So that's what the pod looks like when you take it out as a whole piece. is the meat for tacos or carnitas or pulled pork. And these are all gonna go in this bowl and into the refrigerator, because that's gonna be a meal